guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be reviewing Tartes Spicy Bitch palette. So first things first, packaging. That's how it looks like. Chilies muy caliente. And first thing, when you open it you have lots of oranges, yellows, I want to say magenta, because this color right here, it's not picking up on camera very well, but it's more of a magenta. Before we get into the review of the palette, I'm going to be doing this eyeshadow look for you right now. Okay, cositas hermosas, we're going to be taking the color Intense and blending that all over our eyelid, raising it up a little bit above the crease. And then once we're done with that, we're going to be patting on the color Extra Hot and putting it on the outer corner of our lid. We're just going to be packing that color on. And then after that, we're going to pack more of that Extra Hot color into the inner corner of our eye. And then once you are looking like a delicious cheese chito, you're going to take that color Caliente and just blend that in all over the eyelid. Once you are done with that, you're going to add the color Fierce and put it in the center of our eyelid and just pack that color on. You should be looking like the opening scene of The Lion King. Oh, it's wing time. So you're going to make a super long and sharp wing, sharp enough to cut up Scar for pushing Mufasa off of that cliff, right? So after that, we're going to be grabbing a brush and blending all of those colors in together. And now we're going to be putting on our falsies to give it a more dramatic effect, because honestly, The Lion King was very dramatic. Poses. Like you're on the cover of Vogue. Ooh, RuPaul, you'd be proud. Let's start off with packaging. So when you first see this box right here, what mostly made me want to get this palette was definitely the colors. This color right here, I thought it was going to be a super, super bright red. But unfortunately, the box is a little bit deceiving. And I say that because the colors right here are not the colors that you're going to get in this palette. Especially when I went to the store to go get it, there was not a tester out there. So I had to take my chances and buy it to see if the colors matched at home. And unfortunately, it did not. The colors blended out really well, really pigmented, especially the yellow. I was really worried about that yellow not picking up on my eyelid, but it did its job. The other colors as well, they blended beautifully. So overall, is this palette a buy or bye? I'm going to say bye, bitch. Only because it's not a practical palette. Honestly, I'm not going to be going for these colors every single day. This palette is more of a playtime palette, not a practical everyday palette. My opinion, save your pennies. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my first ever buy or bye. Please make sure you comment down below if you have any suggestions on what other products you'd like me to buy or buy. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.